a Wonky Beans tutorial. You will need pencil, paper and Sharpie, colour pencils or felt tips, sellotape or parcel tape, scissors, old crisp packet and a glue stick. We do hope you enjoy our paper squishy tutorial. First, using a Sharpie, go over your pre-sketched drawing. Using any Sharpie you desire.
Fluvsies, fluvsies, soft and fluffy too. Playing with them.
Remember, you can use any kind of Sharpie and any kind of colour.
Playing with our fluvsies one by one. Fluvsies, fluvsies, la 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 la. Fluvsies, fluvsies, la 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 la. Fluvsies, fluvsies, la 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 la. They are a fluff to love. Fluvsies are so fluffy and so sweet. Dressing them up is always such a treat. Fluvsies are the perfect little pet.
Finally, get an eraser and just erase out all of your pencil lines.
Playing to have fun. Wonderful time to share with
Now for the colour. Add any colour you desire.
little pets. A
I'm using blue, and it's a shimmer blue to make those eyes pop.
Soft and fluffy too. Playing with them is what we like to do. Fluvsies, fluvsies, they are so
And we're colouring it in such a beautiful baby pink. Oh wow, she's gonna look amazing.
Fluvsies, fluvsies, la 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 la. Fluvsies, fluvsies.
I bet your picture is awesome. I would love to hear all about it in the comments.
Love them in every single way.
Tell me, which character did you draw?
Fluvsies today, you love them in every single way. So come and play with fluvsies today.
And guys, while you're watching this video, remember to subscribe. We would love to have you here at Wonky Beans.
Fluvsies, soft and fluffy too. Playing with them is what we like to do. Fluvsies, fluvsies, they are so much fun. Playing with our fluvsies one by one. Fluvsies, fluvsies, la 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 la. Fluvsies, fluvsies, la 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 la. Fluvsies, fluvsies, la
Oh, look at this fuchsia pink. Absolutely amazing.
Fluvsies are so fluffy and so sweet. Dressing them up is always such a treat. Fluvsies are
Then we flip it over. Remember to press firmly down on the crease. And as we cut it out, remember to cut off the ears.
wonderful time.
But do not cut the crease. There we go. It should look something like that.
Love to love.
Now let's turn the paper over with the ears on. Using a glue stick,
Fluffy too.
we will go around the edges of our drawing.
Like to do.
Please remember to cap your glue stick.
So much fun.
Press firmly and leave to dry.
One by one. Fluvsies.
Now on to the second bit. We are going to get the sellotape and put it all over the side, leaving about a ½ inch at the top.
La la. They
And we're going to do the same to the back.
they are a fluff.
Press firmly on the edges and check for your opening. Now we will cut round and leaving about a centimetre of tape.
Love to love. You love them.
We are going to use this empty crisp packet. Now we're going to scrunch it up a bit.
In every single way. So come and
Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch.
fluvsies today.
So if you have any old crisp packets laying over your house, please clean them out, leave them to dry, and then they can be used making super squishies. Now we're going to proceed to cut the ears out now the glue has dried. Using the double paper makes it a little bit more stable.
La 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 la.
Now we're going to simply tear up the bag.
Fluvsies, fluvsies, la 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 la.
Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch.
Love to love.
And as you are posting the crisp packets into the squishy, please ensure to get all the edges so those cheeks are nice and plump.
Fluvsies are the perfect little pets. A fluff to love, they're the best. Fluvsies like to play and to have fun. Wonderful time to share with everyone.
I bet you're doing an amazing job.
A fluff to
Well done.
best.
Now we are going to seal the top of the squishy, and there we have it to make sure it stays in place. Now we're going to hit you with the sellotape just on the top to seal up the gap. Now we are going to just make little snippets all the way around the bag, not to get too close to the actual squishy, so please leave a gap. It's simply so that we can fold the sellotape at any shape we want, so it can be the perfect shape that your squishy is. How are you getting on? Please tell me in the comments. Now time for the ears. We are going to just simply place the ears either side. And don't worry about a little wobbly ear. Aha, I will show you how to fix it. Just get some tape and there you go. Wow, doesn't she look spectacular? That's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like to see any more of this kind of content, please drop us a comment.